that's when you arrive at session replays. And again, I cannot stress this enough, but that's very important that you only leave session replays to the very end, because there's a lot of sessions that you can watch, and it's very important that you narrow down. And once you're diving in, what we recommend is that you take a sample of sessions, even within these narrowed down segments, and watch them regularly throughout the week. And this will help you to find specific sessions that are hiding really valuable insights for you that you can identify. And as you are uncovering further insights and watching the sessions, what is also great is that you can easily label every single session however you like. You can name them, and you can also leave comments and tag your colleagues very easily. They will be notified by email, so they can immediately go there. Or alternatively, you can also share the links in different project management tools, for instance, like Jira, Trello, or Asana, or whichever tool your team is using.